Hello everyone. So today I'm working on a rather larger canvas. So this is 2 by 2 feet, 24 by 24 inches. And what I did here was I made this canvas myself and even mounted it right like here. If you want to know how I did it, let me know and I will put that video. So what I did here was I put a primer layer and then sanded it, and then on the borders I applied this white apple barrel paint just here on the borders, and then I taped it because I want to keep this border. That's what I'm planning to do, some composition in my head. And then I drew a circle using this disposable plate right here, and now I would like to base coat it first. Let's just use it. So this is transparent yellow iron oxide from DecoArt, and I'm using gold. This is premier acrylic colors, gold. So let's see. Alright, so this is completely dried now. So let's just take off these. I don't like to put the tape on. It's a chore to me. But when I have to take it off, I just love it. Okay, so the idea is to use 3 main colors: orange, yellow, and gold. And then I also want to add this turquoise. All these are all Artist Loft paints except for gold. Gold is Premier acrylic, and then a little bit of copper. So this is a little bit of filtered Floetrol, and this I'm adding just to aid in the flow of the paint.
So here's the dry result. I'm sorry I lost some of the footage while embellishing the piece. Basically, I outlined the top pour with gold acrylic marker as well as I used the base paint to give it better definition. Overall, I like the piece and I like the color combination of the top pour over the dark background. As you can see, I'm yet to varnish the piece, but you can see the metallic paints, gold and copper, are making it so shiny. I hope you liked the video as well as this piece. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.